I'd like to welcome everyone to Harmony in the Park here in the city of Natchez.
Fortifying, unifying Natchez. Fun. A day of unity, camaraderie, the aura that we had in the air today. The music was fabulous. So this is going to become an annual event. Harmony in the Park in the city of Natchez at Waite Park, one of the best kept secrets in the city. Next year, make sure you come out and be a part of this great event. God bless each of you. God bless Natchez.
Me now that I'm away, but you still think about it each and every day. You can't reach out cause I done block your phone, but you wanna keep on dragging this on and on and on. You see, I saw you walking with that other man, his arm around your waist and my heart in your hand. This little red snap back like you wanna play ball. That's when I knew the truth about me and you and the writings on the wall. Yeah, you're right, you write it down. Seal your letter, try and turn it around. Yeah, you're right, you write that wrong. Seal your fate, cause I'm long, long gone. Long gone, long gone. Now I see Mr. Postman coming up my drive. Did you lick the stamp or use some tears from your eyes? You didn't miss your water till I said bye-bye. Now you wishing on the well, but it done run dry for you and I. Yeah, you're right, you write it down. Seal your letter, send it across town. Yeah, you're right, you write that wrong. Seal your fate, cause I'm long, long gone. Long, long gone. Long gone.
You say you love me and you need me so bad, and then you turn around and girl and make me so sad. Gave you the trust and all the loving I had. I'm not a perfect man, I wasn't made in the lab. Yeah, best if we stay apart if my love is not enough. Nothing so good for you, I bought you all the fancy stuff. You came pretending like an angel above, and then you turn around, girl, and throw away all of my love. Yeah, you threw away all of my love.
Dr. Phil, even if you got down on your knees, you couldn't seal our deal. Yeah, you're right, you write it down. Seal your letter, try and turn us around. Yeah, you're right, feeling still so strong. Seal your fate and burn it to the ground. Yeah, you're right, you write it down. Seal your letter, try and turn us around. Yeah, you're right, you write that wrong. Seal your fate, burn it to the ground. Burn it down to the ground. Me now that I'm away, but you still think about it each and every day. You can't reach out cause I done block your phone, but you wanna keep on dragging this on and on and on. You see, I saw you walking with that other man.
It's been like a 20-year dream. Racial harmony is my cause, and I just wanted Natchez. I wanted us to have fun together at the same place at the same time, and it happened. It happened here with a lot of love, and I think everybody had a wonderful time. And it brought tears to my eyes to see in the end everybody on the dance floor dancing together. It was just absolutely wonderful. I couldn't be happier. I couldn't be happier. 20 years is a long time to carry a baby. I can't say enough about everybody that came today deserves to be very proud of themselves. And it was a great mix of people, old and young, and black and white. It was just perfect. Mwah. God bless everybody.
Right that wrong, seal your fake 'cause I'm long.